Hi everyone, in this video I am going to guide you how to register CUCT Samarth portal. Then you will get the clear-cut idea about the registration. So you have to keep all the documents with you. See, when you click the registration link, this is the first window will appear. Then the left side you will get the new registration button. This is the new registration button. Then click the new registration button, you will get the window like this. See, these are the fields we have to fill. The first section, see what are the fields required to fill. The first one, CUCT application number as per your CUCT scorecard. Then you have to give roll number, applicant's full name, then date of birth, email ID. When you are giving email ID, you have to remember that please use your own email, as this will be your username and will be used for all official communication. So your username as email ID, so you have to give your own email ID and re-enter applicant's email ID, then give password. It should be maximum 6 characters. Then re-enter password, mobile number, and re-enter mobile number. At last, CAPTCHA verification is there. You have to give the CAPTCHA code and click the register button. This is the first window. When you click the register button, see, these all are the fields. Okay. Then after that, the next stage, that is step number 2. This is the window like this. You have to fill all the personal details, then family details, address details. See, your CUCT scorecard also shown like this. Then you have to click the complete profile button. Okay, then it will redirect the next page, that is personal details. You have to fill all the personal details. Fill in your personal details once done, click on save and next to proceed the next section. See, in the personal details section, give the first name, middle name, last name, then applicant's gender, then applicant's date of birth, then age, category, email ID already is there, then mobile number, applicant's Aadhaar number. This is not mandatory, Aadhaar card number, then blood group, citizenship, then religion, place of birth. These are the things you need to fill. Then correspondence address, permanent address, then bank details. Okay, if you don't have your own bank account, please provide details of your parents or guardian bank account where you would like to receive the refund, if any. Then next step, save and next button. You have to click the save and next button. Just listen all the fields you require to fill correctly. You have to ensure that all the fields are correct. Then save and next button. Then step number 4, other sections. Fill in the details like participations in NCC camp or any extracurricular activities, and then click on the save and next button. If you have any extracurricular activities, NCC or guide, something like that, then have you participated in National Service Scheme, NSS camp, then give the details regarding that, NCC certificate. Then you have to fill all the details. Then language proficiency, what are the language you know, reading, writing and speaking, give the priority, something like this. Then click the save and next button. Then step number 5, upload section. Upload the necessary documents like photo, signature and date of birth and your certificate details. The format is JPG format and the prescribed size 10 KB to 3 MB. You have to remember that the size of the documents 10 KB to 3 MB only. After uploading the documents, click on the submit button. See, in this section, upload section, You have to upload your photo, then signature, then date of birth certificate. First click the select file button, then select the photo from your computer or from your device, then signature as well as date of birth certificate. Then scorecard details, upload your scorecard, then admit card. Okay, then press the submit profile. Then step number 6, click on the view button to view your complete profile and then move the program section to select the desired program to apply. You have to click the submit profile. Then the next stage, you will get the message something like this: submit the profile. Now modification is allowed once profile is submitted. So you have to check all the details are correct, then click the submit button. When you click the submit button, you will get the window like this. This is your dashboard. You already filled the personal details and select the program selection. Choose the program you want to apply. Then click the apply now button. This is the apply now button. Then mention the program name and level and then click on the next button. You have to select in which program you are going to apply. Select whether it is degree, PG, MPhil or PhD. Then select the program. Then click the next button. Okay, in this section, program selection, then personal details, all the details are shown there. Then click the next button. A preview of personal details is shown after selecting program name and level. After reviewing all the details carefully, click on the next button. Okay, academic details. The next stage is academic details. That is, fill your academic details like eligibility criteria, class 10th and 12th and degree, PG marks, etc. Okay, in this section you have to enter your score. That is applicable eligibility criteria 10 plus 2 with 60%, qualification details 10th level, year of passing, then score, name of institution, then qualification status, year of passing, then percentage, name of institution, name of board, then subject studied, what are the subject included there, have you passed with the mathematics with the minimum 55%, yes or no. Then next qualification details of 12th, the same details you have to give here also. Qualification status, passing final examination, then name of institution, then minimum mark. Okay, these all are the details you have to give. Then click the next button. After adding all the details, an update button will appear at the bottom to update the details if required. Okay, an update button will be there. Then if you want to update any details, then you can do something like that. Other details, verify your other details, step number 11. That is NCC or any other extracurricular activities. Then step 12, upload section. Upload essential documents like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and graduation mark sheet. You have to upload all the documents. In this section, class 10th mark sheet, then class 10 certificate and class 12th mark sheet and certificate. You have to remember one thing, that if certificate is same as mark sheet, then please upload the mark sheet. Okay, no need to upload separately. Then you have to upload this all the things, class 10, 12 degree certificates. And next stage, you have to click the preview button. Then the preview section will appear where you can view the pre-filled information. After preview, the fee pay option will be available to make the payment of the fee. The next stage, the last stage is payment section. You have to remember one thing, that you no need to pay any fee from this section. In the payment section, you will be asked to confirm the details to verify the identity and the make payment only if you are selected for admission. Okay, if you are selected for admission, then only you need to pay the complete admission fees. The form will be successfully completed only after submitting the application. Then you can save the application form and take the printout of the same for future reference. So you have to take the printout of these details. All the details are there. At last you will get the dashboard like this. Then complete the form and make a payment section. You already applied these programs. Okay, then when you got admission, then you can pay admission fee also. These all are the fields included regarding the registration of CUCET online registration portal. I think all the university registration portals are active, so you can select it from cucet.nta.nic.in website. All the websites are there. See, you can select it from here. Then all the online registration link is active now. Okay, thank you.